I mean, me have what boy me have now? Five boys. Five boys, and all of them grow up, and them try to pull up their head still too.
So we started off.
Service society well.
Yeah.
And how they humble people, and they know make their head swell their head. No matter you see they have. Good morning.
Yeah. Okay.
No matter what you see they have, and they're in a good position, coming like they have nothing, and show off to people.
So from your humble father and mother spirituality comes you hang with the Rastaman, them get you one lick, but you raise your youth them.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Nice, just like him.
Yeah, man, same way. He never get no good at it, and he said, my sister, we are big nurse, and a granddaughter, and a doctor. And granddaughter, and great-granddaughter, a doctor.
Fast forward to this time, or the time between. When you all grew up, what are some of the quarrels people used to have? Is it them somebody going on my land, them go to eat up my thing?
Well, it was all mixed. They all quarrel over different
Was it
things.
political argument, JLP, PNP?
Well, the political thing used to, but they never used to round here. They don't fight no political thing. But we're not, like we're not kind of political era, you know. Now we always between Labour right and PNP, but more PNP around here. More PNP than now. But what happened right now, when it comes to politics, my father never, he might like for him party, but him never segregate.
Him integrate to our part.
Everybody. You understand?
So this is why even your house have both colors?
Yes. You know what I try to tell me son no get no really mix up in a politics. So no better herring, no better barrel.
No better herring, no better barrel.
And the business man want to say.
Wow. Wow, that is good, you know. Wow. I like
what
it.
you say?
No better
Herring,
no better barrel.
Yeah.
So it simply mean what that mean translate to?
Well, towards the politics. If a PMP, I see actually the same thing. If a Labour,
I just see you.
actually the same thing. I just you have to just load them, make them go and with them power, then can't do.
If the herring bad, the barrel go bad. If the barrel bad, the herring go bad.
Yeah,
That's the same thing.
Yeah, so you know, if we was around here for a long time, this world always bad, you know.
Yeah, me remember.
Body dig up. And PMP rule for a time, which in a lot of PMP around here. Right around here a long time, no PMP, MP no dire. But JLP MP when come and fix the road still at the Shah. So that's why I not fight against them. My body had them goodness.
Oh, got it. You're the man for talk about it, because you see it, you know it.
Everyone had them goodness. If PMP do good, yes, so I do bad. The same way JLP we do good, so I do bad. Yes.
Got it.
You get what I mean?
Got it.
So I don't worship no man. When I jump the police, I feel like a man I worship.
Got it.
You just love make them do what they have to do.
But
You murk the same way, you know, when you want to talk about chump and this and that.
Yeah.
Make them go and jump up. The word have to go on.
Because you know, realize you just have to do your thing. You see your father with a little shop and everything. So now, when you start your driving your truck, how much miles, where did you go? What kind of distance, where you pull, where you load, where you load?
I do everything we know at Jamaica. Back in those days, when we have truck, we work for the hardware. We work for the wholesale.
Cement company.
We have, not cement company, but people who have hardware store. We just cement and lumber for them.
Okay.
Then once you go to them and ask them for some work. Then we give work for just cement. Or you just lumber. Or do delivery for them or just blocks. All right. We used to work with a place they call Agricultural Marketing Corporation. We then used to hire truck if you go buy. First time truck used to go in every year go buy produce, you know. Drive and buy produce. They call it AMC. Agricultural Marketing Corporation.
I see.
Back in those days.
Them send out the truck, them get this stuff and ship it out.
Yeah, hire truck, yeah. And ship it out and what you have to do. We used to draw banana and we used to go everywhere. Me work with AMC, got every parish. Carry things from every outlet, got different outlet. We used to draw banana to Bowden, Port Anthony, and Lucy, and Montego Bay Freeport. We draw banana got Freeport, we draw banana got Lucy sometime. You want like a wharf out on the sea where you reverse the truck on the sea, pan one like a thing, if you go on the ship.
Yeah.
We draw banana got Montego Bay Freeport. They have a place in St. Thomas they call Bowden. That time we have a lot of banana here, but cricket and in the banana here. Trucks like crazy, used to draw banana, pull banana to the wharf, to the ship. You do that. Sometimes you have 3 weeks or 4 trips to make. Two at Bowden, one at Port Anthony, one at Montego Bay. We just draw chicken feeding, fowl feeding, cow feeding. We draw pig, all into me to draw pig. People raise pig and restaurant meat package or grace. Buy the pig, bulk pig. We load them up in a truck and carry them to the slaughterhouse. We do everything. Everything we used to do with truck. We go every corner in Jamaica.
So you know Jamaica real good?
East, west, north and south, the 4 corners. And them time truck never enough. And I used to be one of the rough, you say rough driver. Fast! I go try some place where look narrow, me just let me swing up my shoulder so.
You swing up your shoulder and the truck
swing. Me feel like truck swing. And the same speed me I come through. Zip! Me can people tell about me, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
People can tell about me.
You did drive from your little.
Yes, I'm tell about me with truck, coming to drive truck, man. They may say me I'm like greatest truck driver back in the country. I mean, I know, me now boast by myself, you know. That's the way people say.
No hill, no mess with you.
Yeah, not man and driving and come to speed and sitting. Back in the days, you know.
Wow. So, cause when we did grow up, you know, I always used to hear Miah. I think I blew.
Your man and them man, when I drive now, you know, me keep them ride, them I go to school now, internship. Me carry them go to St. Elizabeth when they when educated people, you know, we go to school and turn teachers.
So are you
I bring them all. I think I'm all in Pauline. We bring her St. Elizabeth one at a time. She go do an internship down there. And I get her work to go down there with the truck and I tell her so she shouldn't have to take bus so she can ride with me. And when I go and drop off the people them, I bring her go with her suitcase. Go where she's supposed to.
Wow.
She's supposed to go.
So this was a helping community.
Yeah,
when
man.
it came to transportation, your family is one of the backbone.
Yeah,
you
man,
deliver
yeah,
a lot of babies in a year vehicle,
Yes,
bring
man,
them go hospital.
in a Jeep. And before that, my brother was crippled, paralyzed and dead. Him had a car, used to have a car, and then he come had a Jeep. And before them, my older brother and so forth. But he had to transport in a long time, man, long time. So, you know, me just one day at a time, and we never leave to go America to live, you know. Never have to go America to live.
Because you had everything.
Yeah, from grow up, my children grow up. So I went up there and I used to have a visa from in the early 90s. So I used to went up there.
How many years you stayed?
Just about 14 years now since me get the permanent.
And you worked?
Over there?
Yeah, what did you do?
Yeah, man, we work, man. We buy truck over there. We have about 6 dump truck and about 8 tractor trailer.
Tractor trailer. Okay. So that's what you did. Your father start here. You took the enterprise abroad.
Yes, but what really happened, I didn't go there I didn't plan. It wasn't planned.
How it start? How it happened?
No, when I went there, one day with couple dollars, we're not always going to find always have couple US dollars back any time, you know. So I go over there, me lose my visa, me overstay my visa. He say, you know, if I come back to Jamaica, the time my son them knows, when me get visa, none of me speaking in Ghana for it. None of my children never travel. But they grow up now and travel. The one when here, this one, him just, I go up. Same time, I file for him. Just like 1 year. And when me went abroad, me go see, we have some restaurant, you know. Have 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 restaurants in Virginia. 6 nice restaurants.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and 4 nice supermarket.
This is all from your father's shop with the donkey, you know.
yeah.
May I follow the story?
Yeah, man,
you
yeah,
know?
man, right up. I then
May I
took it
follow
from.
the story?
Yeah,
you know?
man, I saw them grow up and see it and take
The word I get from the story is, now walk out. Is that the word him use when him left the woman? Walk out?
Yeah, man, you walk with the.
What the word him did use? You give me a special
Yeah,
word.
man, in say my walk, man, I'm going to give the lady a walk.
Give the lady a walk.
Because, you know, how a man come there.
So I'm trying to get the story and a timeline. For a man we start out, felt a pain, move with the family, work hard, him start him own yam thing, him start hire people.
Yeah, man, when you come here one time, I have 10 people there.
Then you move up, then you know what with the vehicle.
Not me alone, all of my brother them.
Of all vehicles, we know,
Yeah,
man.
but what happened now, them now they go and leave here, but me never leave.
But that vehicle will deliver many babies.
Yes.
That's interesting to me.
Yeah.
Because
We have picture of the family though. That's how you name Campa Wiki.
Yeah, man. But the picture, you know, I want from already, you know.
Wait, yeah.
For sure.
You know how long we have it?
I went actually the house to find it. When I fix it.
I like for in the house. No man, I have that more 4 years.
And Jonathan,
8 years.
yeah, man, me had a video bus and some white people come out there and I name to power.
I'm finding a house that's why I'm new, so I not that say that.
Yeah, man.
And look how you see it.
And Michael did it too. See Jonathan, you know. See Nikia.
And you can find.
Yeah, see Junior, yeah.
Wait, Miah there.
Marian then did it too, man. But Marian was took down. Then I got Mount St. Joseph.
This is Miah, you Campa Wiki, then time there.
wait, why you have on a hat like that? You look like say a bubble.
No, they went to call me bongo, but me never dread.
Is that hat you have on?
Yeah, man. You should be some big hat, man. Some nice hat. You should be the hat man for me band.
Grandpa, which it?
But that ain't deal.
So
And
point out the people them to me.
These people now come from the place name in one place in America, they come there like tourists.
Oh, you hit on it.
And
Did you hit on it?
Jonathan name ban it, man. Jonathan ban. Nick.
Yeah.
Jonathan name ban. Mount St. Joseph, they go to school, one school, a man, Roman Catholic school near Mount St. Joseph.
Okay.
They all went. But these people come from America now, will live a man, the blind man, and becomes friend.
Yeah.
We have this select of VW bus. We used to have
So you did have the weed, man.
this VW bus.
You did have the weed, pan you.
All the while, man.
And them did a smoke too.
Yeah. And this is a VW bus, and we buy special for them go to school. Yeah, man, a VW bus. And Alaska, I know Alaska didn't come from. One place in America then. Right now, I try to get
Nebraska?
Nebraska.
Okay.
Nebraska.
Okay.
Nebraska Woodland man.
Nebraska.
Wisconsin, Nebraska. Hey, you know, we see all the professional book. You see that picture you don't have anything, you know? That you don't have no professional book.
Yeah, man. Then when me pick your Jonathan do now, all of my picture them, man, we have good and show.
I don't mind how
You know, man.
Long time now, you know.
Then destroy them, man. Then destroy all of my picture. When I live and go to America, you know, I say I never go to America to live. And all of my things that I have could be a memory.
Who destroyed them?
Jonathan, the little one, he may just loud place. The other big one live at Craig, but him stay there. I make all of me, a lot of things I told I didn't go to America to live. And all of some things I could be prizing and destroy them.
I post my professional book.
Me have a bus in me have a bus named Professional Bus now where you take care of school picnic.
This is don't man, but I long time I must about 5 years now.
Every man me live out already, every man in the load. There's no bus in there, then tell you no bus in there, you know.
Professional boobs. Are you comparing him there?
Yeah. Then they come up on TV in
Yes,
America.
man, in the TV, to agree in a book.
And then they ask me say why me call it boob so true. Then one man when sing one record now name so me tell say why me a boobs now some of the day the children who are carrying the bus don't have any fear.
Okay.
Don't have no money when they leave their house in the morning.
Yes.
Them man I couldn't find fear to pay them to send them to school, so I just give them free. I'm a boobs, I just give them free ride.
You think them are boobs here?
No, give them free ride.
So your family had a good crew, pretty much. No drugs, no violence. We know crime did there on you, always in Jamaica. When you ever move through even with the truck. If a man ever pull you and say, yo, We need the thing in the truck. We need the stuff.
Like who? Police?
Just bad man.
No, sir. You never had none of
Man,
that.
have them the
Never had
intention,
none.
but
And
see that man live good amongst man, you know.
You nobody want never. Me not hide the fire. You know, late for a shower rain. But for me, I move.
Give me that phrase again. You know, late for a shower rain.
Yeah.
Explain that.
Well, you know, late for
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. You never too late for a shower rain. Anything can happen. But all my living coming up, no, I don't get no hole up yet. I used to drive, back in the days, I used to drive truck, go to Coronation Market, a place they call Spur Line. You know, a town, a market. Coronation Market, go down, you go right below T-Valley Garden. And me, when we go down there, we have a girl, we have a girlfriend. The thing is, I want a big old parish council place beside when you pass Spur Line and go down there, like I want a big office we need there with some book, one book big like this. Yeah. And I hit me spread out, used to spread out and lie down with them man in a them times. Use the big old book them for the office not working again. But pay a big book in there. And I go there and have me girl them come. Maybe I'll end up man when see me not remember me. And T-Valley Garden.
Maybe I have a lot of kids out there, you don't know what.
Yes. Then come look for me down the market, man. And
you might have some people that say, why me look like the man on the screen right now?
Yeah,
man, they tell me about a man named Miah, but no, me know my father.
Yeah, man. Me used to go to Coronation Market every week, Wednesday night and Sunday night.
So you must have been...
What you say? Me want to show you here. No,
So you must be a man.
So me used to go to Coronation Market now and Paco. And did it.
Here a man come call him Grandpa
Wicked. Who's this man? Why is he important in the legacy? What is his name?
You
ask me, I ask you, you know.
Yeah?
You ask about me.
Oh, man,
Yeah.
that man was a man of boy days. Carry on now to the extent like this. Be that way. A man them never make no stone unturned. Progress.
Progress.
Yes. You can see the
They was one of the uprising people in Norway too, you know, Master Francis.
Master Francis.
Yes, he may also know a character, you know, the man had Aston came and find out the early days too, that him brother him Rice Stan, Dave and Dennis.
Wow, so you guys are the...
And our auntie cousin was the first
movie star
in America.
Mad Sinclair.
Mad Sinclair, you ever heard Mad Sinclair?
Yes.
She died.
So you look familiar.
Yeah.
And film.
He was a judge. First woman who had to go to prison for corruption.
Film mother auntie, when I do woman now where.
Catch mercy.
They get mixed up, yeah. And him now Rice Stan and them and him film father now used to work at Craig. They have a crew just like my father. The film father used to have a crew now where have people sing and wait for him to figure a bush. But at Craig he used to work and he used to carry people every morning now in carry go to school. These boys they used to walk to school, you know. These boys, they used to walk to school.
So wait, them did have more things than you?
No. We are mastery. Companion. Psychological element.
My father know a film father when I
companion in business and farming and money running.
Yes.
So when these men came to meet to make decisions, where would they meet?
Nobody, they never meet nobody, man, they go for their own account.
Let's go.
No meet, they not get no meet.
I want to meet nothing, I want to group. No group, never they go every time there.
Man, go for their own account.
I want to think right up so. They were very friendly. I can tell you this.
1 second.
If Master Rennie is up there, I know how no money, and say, Master, we want £5. Master take out £5 give. And if Master could have Master in the place and say, well, £5. They get it. The economy never go down. They live loving and kind and gentle.
And now, so this man now, him now, when he come to politics, him used to be the head labor man.
Yeah, the head labor, right? In them time there.
They call him, they call him Reagan. And
Reagan.
they call him Lightburn.
Mr. Lightburn.
Okay, so with a forest club, you know. With even time.
What your place?
Yeah,
What your
right up
place?
the-
Used to be a what?
4-H club. 4-H club.
Alright, so my sister left.
And explain that.
4-H club is a club where they do
teach people to cook
and all kind of
sew.
things. Yeah.
Right up there. My own
In that
was
shop?
there. Yeah.
A 4-H club.
They call it 4-H club.
Who started it? My grandmother?
Yeah, he was right there was a
She
4-H
teach
club.
people
Government,
cook,
government
sew.
too, yeah.
Government used to sponsor?
Yeah, cook, sew, everything.
Bake,
Right, so my sister left from Mango
bake,
Street
bake,
of Paris,
bake,
France. My sister leave. When she leave here, she go to get a thing and to go.
They don't buy over there, so them don't make a first club.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Them buy this stuff for my father when
My grandmother bought over there, so?
no, the club.
The club did buy it.
Yeah.
For continue. So that was like the first training center around here.
And was the only one.
The only one?
Yeah.
What? Cook, so what?
They teach you to do everything, man. Sew, cook,
Bake.
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 Yeah, you know.
So run by Cecilin Bennett?
There's
a couple, a group.
Community thing,
hello.
yeah.
Marlon and Pauline.
Yeah.
This one, they
Pauline.
are two, eh?
My mother is Pauline.
Yeah, mother is Pauline. Oh, they were
Them can
twins.
tell about it too.
Yeah, this is lady. Yeah, and it, Maya? Yeah, man.
Wow.
Very educated.
So I don't know Maki and everybody.
Maki
Wow,
have
wow.
pretty boy.
Bertram, you remember when Bertram did get in that trouble? Bertram did big and him died.
Yeah, man.
No, well then.
And Lumsey did get in that trouble.
Yeah.
Lumsey was the one. Dumb. Lumsey was the one.
So now when we were little, Mama used to have 4 a.m. she have a big machete come from bush.
Is out here, man?
Yes, right at the house that's my barn.
You know, you're punching them down like that.
Marlon and Pauline, I know, they were two beauty queens this year, man.
Yes, sir.
Guys. I Maya was a bigger boy to me. Maya was done more to me in certain kind of psychological
Yes, yeah.
system. Maya there. But we grow like a brother, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we do everything. We shoot bird. We used to shoot bird. And with long gun, we used to go shoot bird in a bush with
Yes,
long
man.
gun.
Yeah.
You think gun no
privilege
gun
like that.
like no way. And never privilege.
Yeah.
And no police now. You
No
can
police, yeah,
you carry a gun.
We were the first set of gunmen in the area, man.
Yeah.
It's a good man. It's a good
But-
man.
but-
You
good
used
man,
to hang a gun and shoot bird.
We got a gunman, man. Tell me, don't tell me that.
No,
Yeah.
Good man, I want to kill people, man. You talk about, man.
I didn't mean that you could have
Where
killed
they go
people.
shoot?
That's over here.
Who
That's
got
how we
that
kill people with it.
Who
A
got
bird
that
they shoot
bird?
it.
Bird.
Yeah, because I shoot people with it. That's over here.
What a bird you shoot.
A bird we shoot. We had the opportunity, Maya. We had the opportunity.
What kind of,
People are gun.
No, but it's
Why?
team fire gun to you, understand? So, I just say, when you have an opportunity, and one, if it, for argument's sake, you take where you go now, you go shoot bird. You have 4 or 5, somebody go with, man. Everybody want to leak out a gun that, you know, we shoot a bird. That's the go now. Yeah, every man want
No, we
but
were
just it.
living, loving Maya. That's true.
That's fine.
Alright, Maya, tell them Maya, say, when the head, you remember when that time it was in the bus, you took a picture, you took it. When I be choke, I be a drive your fire, I'm going to yell. Because I tell you what took that. That's over here.
If you can say you suggest to me, I told you.
Yes, my brother, he be choke. I tell you Maya.
You want to drive with choke when I'm choke, you know.
Yeah, do that, man.
No, me say choke.
I'm police take you from a man when you go by my sleep.
so it was a good brotherhood back then.
No,
What-
me say live good.
Yeah,
Until
man,
now,
then
until
when
now.
my father died, you know, after my mother died, no, my father married to my mother, you know.
So you brother.
I just say people used to live good here, man. I don't know if everybody was, you know, original radio.
So your family never tell you nothing about slaves or nothing?
Yes, man. Even Francis beat Maya.
That's
I sent you that come from, you know. That's why don't worry, see me I come from, you know. We do so well long, you know. Francis Breed. You find them back there, yeah? Sit up here.
I'm telling you, Powell.
And Paul, in the same toilet.
I
Yeah.
think Central
Then we
is
got so near, you see? That all part here. Me do very good down here.
Simpson. The
When we come to one section to Junction, Bull Shop. River. That's the section I am. Francis.
But me saw man if you know.
Yeah, right. You're supposed to know, right, Francis?
Yo, let me tell you now.
Me saw man the church man.
Come on, yeah.
Every person who live up here, now, most of the women them, you know, at St. Elizabeth and come up here because they never have no work at St. Elizabeth, you know. Some man go there and go tell them because you're man thing, that donkey them use and go down, you know, and whatever. And you care about one of them. So most of the women them, you know, come up here, come get adapt for one name, but most of the original from down the line, not how I can make granny them people. I don't mean come up here, you know. Find a woman who want to do tough thing, a pure man. The woman come from down there and go down and say, man, pretty girl, and just care up.
Where I said to me?
Yes, man.
Well, you make money, so I know me.
We know history is a place, man. I mean, know it, let me tell you.
Me I agree, I mean.
Let me tell you. It's like how where we is now, by the elder.
1 second.
By the elder is here now. We know, but if the younger generation, they don't know nothing about we don't go like. But we know now. We see if we dead now, they don't know nothing. They might perish.
What is it now?
You can interview them on the panel, the one
No. Red chair for him. So you said the woman them came from St. Elizabeth.
Most of the women them up here.
So you said, Maya, there was mostly man there?
No, I tell you about the history of the people.
Me no my ideas, me don't know about that.
My mother tell me everything, man. My mother knowing this word I cut, you know. The church is listed with, so everybody there, and you have to carry a shingle and go through this of a shingle the church. Walk through the road, but I just say road, you know, road in my there, you know. That's it. I room to them used to walk and go up, I said church. So, that's why look at history about it, you know.
Something, you see, my. So I tell certain business, eh? One of my family, one of the biggest man in the business, don't you? But then,
no, you see, I want some bread. I want house used to want see that hill right there, comes right there, and where is the house used to there, so house used to the right down, goes over there, bush over there, so. Yes, fine.
but my section I want to hear down in St. Elizabeth. Them take me like a family, and sit over, you know that. You know what I mean? The grounds like how they see me. Maya, you have to two now, to Craig, to Wilpie, good intent. Maybe the grounds, Maya. You know what I mean? Just be saying, I don't say, if me go on too much over pocket in Maya, things will not. You know what I mean? When me go like, you know, say, I say, I like when I'm Reagan. When me go Craig.
I like when I Reagan and calling, you know.
Like
Government. Yeah. Me move like a government.
Like Bruno was a prime minister.
No, like Bruno was a minister of trade and industry. A man of business.
You know, a big car one time, you call it, a Reagan,
Reagan, that's a
you know, a car, you call house and land.
Who's that? Yeah.
So you gentlemen had a great time in Jamaica.
Just
The scenery was nice.
yeah,
The
man.
woman was nice.
Yeah,
Government did a
every
change,
activity,
but you don't have $100. You don't have truck, you don't have transportation. So uno was the boys running the thing.
Guys
We
living
used
so
to
good.
share, you know. Share things. Like, you know, nothing that too good for a man. That's it. When you come out, you see him.
I tell you, I feel mother now, my father no go to school, man, you know, and he work for him mother and for my grandmother, Mother Palmer. My father don't know his father, you know.
My father, my mother, brother and sister.
And my father don't know him peers. No fiend daddy.
Wow.
You can't fool him, you know. You can't do much. If he maths prof, you can't do much like him.
That's true, man. Admit, you know, Mr. Man, I'm the only millionaire that in this district. Millionaire, dead as a millionaire. Yeah, because he was a cook and he was a come and say, my father dead as a millionaire. No, man, I'm the only millionaire there.
But
You know, them time, because you have to look at now, millionaire, see him, you understand? You understand?
the man come. Watch him, man.
I first millionaire there, that man.
All right. You look what you think no fire in early next week.
Bye-bye.
So put it down, we go and drive. Put it down and put. Yeah, man. Yes. Cut it down today and drive it.
Yes, all right. We are doing it.
Yeah.
Maya, the better thing is just social in the beginning. A social in. Parce que imagine le papier aujourd'hui. Asi mi say when is the bill. Fiku. Yeah, I'm see Genesis I would be know who, you know. But I say
If you house, man, America too, you know.
eh?
All America for me house where me live. Upstairs. For Nick house upstairs. And for Michael house.
Upstairs,
So I met them.
Mm.
And the one where Michael and Nick was 20 meter upstairs and the one Michael and one.
Mm.
Like a tradition.
Mm.
I say, so is the beginning.
Beginning social in.
So now we're coming, not say to the end, but you see what the crime and everything are going on Jamaica.
Put crime aside.
So you gentlemen see what's happening in Jamaica. Huh?
You don't see it.
You don't see it?
No, sir. I mean, someone that finance it and come to Jamaica for you look dangerous. No come like nothing to me.
Why is that?
You don't know. I think you're not afraid. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it, but we don't see it.
Ma, you know why you don't fret me, don't worry about it. We never do anything that we have to go in here.
Man, you pass through, man.
Crime.
Like how we in a bush,
It's
man. You
irrelevant.
pass through, man. Hungry man, like I can't
Yeah,
stay. Them
I'm
kind of
not
hot.
hungry to here, man. I see you.
Yeah,
We
we
caught
pass
with
through.
us, you
Take
know.
away your thing, man. You use this thing, kill.
Yeah, man, caught with us, man.
Let me tell you, you see how you flex so. No innocent man are too tough, you know. And it's, let me tell you, I'm on the pass through and see, and we know so we have a little hype phone and take. And you tick up because you're on the money, you take away your phone. You make it going. If you're really to shoot you, because if you know say you have gun, he might come and he might come for you, he might come take away your thing, like he might kill you.
This is not like you.
If you come and give him a thing,
Stay this.
Yeah, I mean. No, but the crime is going on now, killing and whatever. Some
You don't see it still.
Eh?
You don't see it.
You know,
You don't see
it. Say that, but we don't see it.
No, you can't move too, Maya.
You
can't move too. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, man.
So the younger generation, you know, see the status what them deal with. You know?
Yeah, me see it still, but to me now, you know, get
You
me.
can't convince them.
Yeah, we try, you know.
If you have the right, it's like how you here now, I mobilize them, I think, but you see, why, some of them know.
Because you guys live around here, which is more quiet and safe. But in
No, we
Montego,
regulate that.
in Montego
We
Bay,
regulate that to be
in
a
Spanish
peaceful
Town
area.
right now, and Clarendon, things hot.
Why might you say we don't see it for we no go there?
I like that answer.
Yeah,
Because so in
No,
Norway,
no, 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 no.
Norway is a separate world.
And we got a different place too, you know.
But if you go Clarendon, you go see a place.
We got Clarendon down there and the seat neither. How we not got the place where they?
I mix with them people.
And we hype. You say people and hype to one like you.
Yeah.
Use that.
Yeah,
Man, we target you, you know. Man, they will pre you, man, we pre you.
No, man, you pay you.
Anyway, you're going to the world right now, man. You're again, man. You see, man, never tell you like, the grandpa wicked, they call him sometimes.
Some strategies. But when I end up, Mr. Now, I end up.
Come on, you're right, Maya.
I don't think I find out so coming back that talk, you know. You bring one back and Nichols, you don't know something like that.
So now you have to utilize yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean,
Yeah, so I just said the crime, you know, we did a certain place, I know that. But we're not going to go bright now.
no.
We need to stay there with it.
But let's say really.
You understand me?
You keep a distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
turn
man,
out,
yeah,
this
man.
turn out, but it,
Give them that space.
yeah,
What we do? What we do?
give them a space.
Give them that space. Make me go on, but we not going
I
to space.
live in a Grantsville Gully for 16 years. And I get a scratch. I live amongst the bodies after bodies. I go in the late hours. Sometimes when we don't work, I cheat. If me 365 days for the year, the only day I work a Good Friday. And I go in any hours and I'm money me hungry and man never push up a gun for me. Yeah, I don't get to me.
Let me not hear, is it?
Yeah, so you have to know how to live.
Is it correct?
You're busy about people, you're go try and do your thing and man. You understand? Don't disrespect no one. You go through. Don't diss a man, you understand? So you know, say you diss a man, you see a man, you will hurt you.
Yes.
So don't diss a man.
I want to bad talk with some question about You know, Miah, you know, where you talk. We said, tell me one of my brother and sister, we go to church, we go to school. He said, for the boys, you know, whatever, we don't be seeing.
Peace and love.
Yeah,
He
man.
said, peace
Product.
and love.
Progress.
Yeah. He said, for the boys, you know, that. We said, yes, man, yeah. Me say, me and them, man, we go to church, we go to school together, man.
So now, Master Burris, what was he like?
I work hard. Yeah, all right, good. Master was one of my father next door, member worker. Now left with my father. I don't go.
And my braces work hard.
The first picture and he said, Master said, I think about him next to you know, but
Your father selling visual and what?
Wow, so it was your father who sold a lot of land to him.
yeah, and he was one of the working class man who would employ, like Mr. Rennie and my father.
Got it.
Was the two major
Employer.
employer in Norway.
Wow.
Like, yeah, anytime you want job, Mr. Rennie and Miah.
I want a little man many and Tata too.
Mr. Tata.
You go Tata now near how much?
Not much in it, but me and Mr. Rennie and...
Master.
Yeah.
No, then you don't
And a standard, we are standard lifestyle.
No, man.
So now these two, your both parents were the employer here.
Yes, man. Anybody I know it here.
Anyway, you turn up the road, man. Anyway, about here. We do all ahead there.
Give me your family name again.
Francis.
T. Francis.
Stephen
Stephen Francis.
So they say Mas T.
Mas T.
Stephen Francis. Wow. Okay. It's good to know that. When you guys were growing up, what did you hear about America growing up? What are some of the things?
They usually send here, like Mr. Ronnie, you guys send film children like Vita, England and...
So England was the focus.
Yeah, America.
England.
Nobody you want to find your 70 pounds.
Are you gone?
Yes, man.
And if you take our truck now used to with cheap. When people used to go out first and go England, the time they used to have a lot of bus, truck with seat board. And people pack up in a hit.
Like we have England.
Yeah, like you go on a ship.
And then got a town one.
Wow.
We have in gallery.
Wow. Waving gallery.
You go find your gallery up there. Just because you don't have no other again. You have no gallery again. Find the person going to your airport and going and sit at that. I don't think the first set of people who started moving from here was the farm working people.
The farm workers.
Before, you know, but
Sugar cane.
And people
They
usually move.
took out here go cut cane. Clarendon.
Yes, yeah.
Cut cane and money most and all them places.
What about their family? What?
The same family man Francis and them.
Oh,
If you call him, if you call him uncle, you know. Then 2 months if you call someone uncle.
Yeah, man.
oh, these are the Francis.
Yeah, man. Both of them become my uncle, you know.
Okay, so that's why
Yeah, that's my first.
the youth named Francis. Him know them? Him know him?
But we never did to me, that's it. No, he said nothing wrong.
If you know him.
Oh, but yes, man. Yeah, man.
I nephew.
Yeah, no, yeah, man, I know him. I know he was
You guys uncle, yeah.
So them not know the history.
Who?
Yeah.
Them no used to man. And them no
But
used.
him would little boy wouldn't know.
Him not come and get no
Little
information.
boy.
Little boy.
No, man.
No,
No, he might have given it to her.
Later, yeah.
Emmanuel.
Wow. Okay, so is
So
it
few cousins, you know, I feel daddy that, you know. Where the America, they went in.
Dean? So you guys are the Francis, along with
Palmer.
the
Then we
Palmers.
see Palmer too, you know, to the other side.
I want family.
That's why we can't no one know him both here. We're very young family. Find out family to wait me.
Yeah.
Two family, man. Palmer and Dennis. My father Dennis and my mother Palmer. Yeah. And when we say Palmer, I mean like a couple of flat Palmer. From both sides of the Palmer, them back. You understand? So I say, I look no wife, no woman.
Who that? Oh. And so, you know, that's how the little city around. So we, for me, you with them now, vibrate. The biggest one now is that he is not the mother. My wife is not the mother for the oldest one. But he live abroad and him send for them, not send for them, but him them go up there to him. But the wife treat him good, so all of them come in like a one mother. You know, so one lady have outside, their husband have picked me and they not treat that pick me good.
Okay, I wish I was good.
So what's happy?
Yeah, back that, let me tell you now, you see, ackee, breadfruit, orange, nobody knows sell it on them place now. Then you give it like you're free. Like ackee tree, you're free for pick it. Then you sell it. You understand?
Okay.
Like you say, well, then man, no, sir. No man not sell no ackee breadfruit. Nobody not sell them things, man. If you want a breadfruit, you pick a breadfruit. You go pick 2 or 3 and go and nobody not sell them things. Star up and them things. Like you go down the street and you star up and sell. Nobody not that.
What fascinates you about St. Mary, Miah? You ever been through St. Mary?
Yes.
Anything fascinating about St. Mary?
Well, you know, it's a place where full of like a nature where you have a lot of rainfall, the farmers, you know, all year round thing where the farmers can depend on the weather to grow the crop. But when it comes to the living of the people with you know, just pass through, so I wouldn't have any.
Tell me about St. Catherine. Any memories there?
No, neither. I just pass through St. Catherine.
Which one of the parishes is kind of special to you, including Manchester? Portland, maybe?
St. Elizabeth and Manchester. St. Elizabeth and I'm going St. Anne's for a while.
St. Elizabeth because of the farming and the people?
Yeah.
Not really farming, but you know, let me tell you, St. Elizabeth people are most lovingest people in Jamaica. St. Elizabeth people. As most of the brown, like the red set of people, and the brown set of people.
And down there have a lot of quiet places down there where they don't have a lot of crime. Crime, 1 or 2 crime down there, but not everywhere.
Well, you see on the black side, by the flag of the dirt black, but you see on the red side, the people are nice, man.
They're nice. Plant peanut. What else them plant around there? So, carrot, scallion,
thyme.
So them are the seasoned people.
Yes.
Yeah, certain business ain't like on the red.
What do you know about Clarendon? Not much. Yes. Yes.
So you have some photographs in
Yes, sir.